How to fix high memory usage on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager on your device. In Task Manager, search for Roblox. Then right-click on Roblox. Then click on End Task. After that, on your keyboard, click on Windows R, which will open Run in this way. After that, in Run, type in %local app data % and press on Enter. In here, search for depth. Click on it. Then, simply select all the data and then press on Delete on your keyboard. After you've done that, again click on Window R and open Run. Then type in services.msc and press on Enter. In here, scroll down and click on Sysmin. Then right-click and press on Properties. After that, in Startup Type, click on it and then click on Disabled. And at the bottom, click on Apply and then OK. After that, again in here, scroll upwards and select Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click on it. Then click on Properties in here as well. After you're in this property, make sure you click on Stop if it's started. Then in Startup Type, click on Startup Type. Then make sure it's disabled and then Apply and then press on OK again. After that, on your keyboard, again press Windows R, which will open Run. In here, type regedit. Then press on Enter, which will open this page. In here, on the left side, expand HKey local machine, which is the third option. In here, click on System. It will expand System, and then in System, expand Current Control Set. Then expand Control. After that, in Control, simply scroll down and search for Session Management. After that, expand that and then go to Memory Management and click on it. On the right side, you'll find Clear Page File. Right-click on Clear Page File. Then, in here, click on Modify. Then make sure value data is 1 and then press on OK. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix high memory usage on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.